Hey everyone, welcome back to Chart Challenger. Glad to see you here again. I'm back with another exciting price action challenge. Are you ready to test your trading instincts? Here's how it works. You'll be shown a chart at a key decision point. Your job? Predict the next move up or down. Would you be a buyer or a seller at this exact moment? Let's dive in and put your price action skills to the test. But first, quick heads up. The setup you're about to see is one of the most powerful in price action trading. You'll spot it in the market almost every day, and once you master it, it has a win rate of around 90%, but only if you're truly confident with the strategy. Alright, let's get started. Imagine you're about to enter a trade in live market conditions. Based on this chart right here, would you buy or sell? Pause the video right now and drop your answer in the comments. Are you buying or selling? And more importantly, why? I'll wait a few seconds. Ready to see the result? As you can see, the price made a strong upward move. But why did that happen? Let's break it down together. First, we had a clear downtrend. Then right here, that downtrend was broken and price started moving higher. There was also a resistance zone that got broken, and then price came back to retest that broken level. That's what we call a pullback. Just like I mentioned, this is one of the most effective price action strategies. The key element is the break of resistance, followed by a pullback to the broken zone before continuing the move. I strongly recommend practicing this setup. It's reliable and has a high win rate when applied correctly. So, was your prediction right or wrong? If you haven't commented yet, let me know below and share what you think about this kind of challenge. Also, what's your opinion on this strategy? Did I miss anything? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoy challenges like this, check out the TradeSkill app. It's made specifically for this type of price action training. You can download it for both Android and iOS. The links are in the description. And hey, if you haven't subscribed to Chart Challenger yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I've got more trading challenges and powerful educational content coming your way. You definitely don't want to miss it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and as always, trade smart, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.